Ayo, cut off. Johnny Play make that shit hard. I told my brody on his form, I support him when he drop. Every song he post going on my story, trying to take it far. Bet on us is guaranteed, life endure between some locks. I've been trying to go commercial on my page.
Allá ven, Gladys.
Ya la halló, maestro.
Ya.
Sí, ya la halló hasta coche.
Ok, tú tienes, púchenle para acá, mira. Así. Así, mira. Así. Dale, bájalo. Es un chingo lo que le falta, mira. Mira.
Ahí mero.
Pues sí, pero el pedo es que usted tiene, tú púchale, o amárralo, aturdíalo. Pero falta el 15, güey.
Dos paquetas ahí chingadas, mira el otro.
Te dije, tráete el 15. No te mandé desde un principio.
Andas bien desconcentrado, güey.
Si quiera que algo le voy a ayudar porque va a un vergazo. ¿Cuánto?
Para arriba.
Ahí está.
Mira, pelado.
Pero le compró lentes hasta Hades.
Estos son míos, güey.
Ya pudiste echar la cosa.
Ya pude.
Ya lo puse. No,
Eso es el parte del
Hija, huevo.
no, si es una verga. Tiene forma de clavo.
¿Y qué forma de clavón?
La calidad.
Va a atender en la coche. Pásale, corazón. Me muero bien gustoso, digo. Pues no, ya dice, que se lo va a comer gusanos. Vamos a chingárnoslo de una vez ahorita.
¿Qué tienes que decir para los que miran ahí?
No tengo que decir ni madres, güey. Yo quiero decir que no estén chingando ahorita, que se pongan a trabajar, Gladys. ¿Qué tienes que decir tú al cambio aquí en este taller, hermano? ¿Qué puedes decir de este taller? ¿Recomendar? A ver, una recomendación.
Pero al de Azira, güey.
Por los que quieren trabajar, ¿ok?
¿Ya se te fue?
Se me fue la carne.
What's up, guys? So I finally arrived. We got the orange wrap for the cat eye, and we got the headlights for the OG, the Halo one. So stay tuned for this video. It's gonna be clean. There's a headliner for the OG. So stay tuned. All this content coming. So now let's go back outside. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure to comment, like, subscribe. I already know. So today we're gonna be working on the 300. We've been working on this car for like working on it. It was 2 days to take everything out in 1 day, put back everything in 1 day. But we were waiting on the motor. We did an oversized 20 motor. The transmission had a little issue, so we fixed that already. And now I'm gonna go pick up the starter. So we're gonna put a new starter, and then this car should be right on. Updates on the giveaway truck is getting painted, so you already know, guys, we gotta wait for our turn, you know. For those people that build their cars, trucks, when we take it to a shop, we gotta wait, you know. Also with the cam truck, it has a tune, but we took it to my boy, boosted to get a retune on it, so we gotta wait for that. Man, it just, this week been just like slow, you know. But as soon as we get everything back, we're gonna have a lot of content, so y'all bear with me. And now we got the diesel. Let's turn it on. Also, we got these new keychains. We got turbos and we got the key performance one. So if you're interested, text me on Instagram, Valentine Keith. Comment down below and I can get you on with one. So I'll ship it right away. Also with the merch. It's dirty. Soon, guys, we're gonna go prep this truck to get painted or wrap. I don't know. I'm gonna prep the whole truck and I'll see what I'm gonna do with this. But just comment down below what color should I do it. So, guys, we have a little surprise here for y'all. So stay tuned with this. Stay tuned. They're gonna love this. The diesel. So right now we're gonna go get the starter, like I said. But right now I was supposed to get some packages for the giveaway truck. So stay tuned, guys. That truck's gonna be nice. I know it's been a long time. If y'all follow me on Instagram, I haven't posted really. It's just because I've been busy and working and ordering stuff and all that, so I can show y'all, you know. So bear with me. Thanks for the support and the patience. Also guys, make sure to get your entries for the giveaway truck. It's getting painted. I don't know yet what rim should I go with, so comment down below. LED DHRL headlights coming. Like, it's gonna be a nice truck, and the color, y'all gonna love it. Y'all gonna love the color. Make sure to get your entries. Don't miss out. You can be the lucky winner. You can win my truck with a shirt, get merch, and you can win the truck. All the cars, we put effort, we put hard work on them, and for one of you guys. So yeah guys, cop you some gear, cop you some tickets, some entries. It's gonna be a nice giveaway. It's the first truck giveaway I'm doing. The last giveaways, you already know, was the Jeep SRT clones, and then the last one was the 300. That one was really nice. So this is the first time doing a truck with a cat eye, so more coming, but this one is really nice. So don't miss out guys. You can be the lucky winner. If you're interested in joining, follow my Instagram or comment down below, and we'll find a way to contact each other. Most of the time people follow my Instagram, so DM me there, Valentine Keith. DM me for your spot. Let's put you in, and you never know, it can be sitting in front of you, so don't miss out. If you don't enter, you can't win, so make sure to enter, don't miss out. But further ado, let's head out. Let's go get the starter, and let's get this build out of here so I can show you the reveal of the car. So let's go. Alright guys, so we just got here. We're just gonna park right here. It's called Auto Repair, JP Alternators and Starters. So gonna get the starter and go back and install the 300, so be right back guys. So here we have the starter guys. We got a new one because the other one, when we were fixing on it, it got wet and I don't know, it had dirt and everything, but here we have it, so let's head out. Hey guys, that was a little video shoot for y'all, so stay tuned for the reel. I'm gonna post it on my Facebook and my Instagram. Go follow it, Valentine Keith. Yeah, let's go back. Guys, so we just got here. We have the starter. It's a fully finished motor, so we're gonna put the starter right now. So here I have it. So there's a fan I have, but here you have it. Then we're gonna take it to the body, fix it all nice and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna just put the starter right now guys, and then I'm gonna show y'all right now the first startup on this thing. Right here we have the puppies, Kilo, Rocky. Right there's a cat eye. We haven't used that truck, so yeah, let's work on this right now. There guys, I already installed it. Y'all gotta stay tuned for the next video, so make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I know it was a short video, but here you have the car, all black, murdered out. So stay tuned, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you're new.